The words tech now. Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the cursor on Mac OS. To change the color of our mouse pointer, we simply have to go in our system preferences, and as you can see in our system preferences there will be an option for accessibility. Now here will be an option for display, and then you go in pointer. So here will be an option to increase the size or decrease it. Now normally it's like normal, the smaller size, but just like that I'll just increase it a bit. Now if I reset, only the colors are the same as normal. So now the fill color is the inside black color and the outline color is the outside white. Now you just have to simply click on which one you have to change. Let's say I want to change the fill color. Now it will show you black and you will have no option. So to help that, you just have to go in the end here. Then you will get all the colors. Now you can see my mouse is white because I am on white. Now which color you like, you can go like orange, red, pink, green and yellow. But I'll go for a bit blue light. So I'll go for just this blue. And then you can simply close it. Now your mouse has changed. If you want it back to the normal one, you can reset. And in the outline one, you can also change. See? But if you want it to be black, you can just go here and the surrounding will be black. You get a lot of options, and if you want you can just take it to the center and get a simple white. I'd prefer this one. So I'll just close it and my mouse looks pretty cool. So there's an also option for color filters, but that's not for today. And one more thing guys, shake mouse pointer to locate. Quickly move the mouse pointer back and forth to make it bigger. So if you move like this, it gets big. You may have noticed sometimes, but if I remove this option, it doesn't get big. And one more thing guys, you may have noticed when you move like this, it gets a lot big. If you want that big size, you can just simply click on large and boom. Now it won't increase because it's always already increased to the largest one. Now I'd rather prefer this one. Perfect. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more. And like and comment and share. So bye bye guys.